So the monopoly control is an attribute of sellability that means you've got control over how you price your product. You're not being commoditized, essentially, because you're unique and different in the marketplace. You've heard Warren Buffett, the famous investor, talk about this idea of having a deep and wide moat around your business. He's referring to the idea that he invests in companies that have a differentiated marketing position. A lot of investors look for companies that have a differentiated proposition because that gives you ability to control your pricing. The more you control your pricing, the more margin you make. The more margin you make, the more you can invest in sales and marketing, and it triggers this nice little domino effect that enables you to stay different in the marketplace. Again, the more different you are, the more control over you have of your pricing. So the way you can improve your score on the monopoly control is to really scrutinize the way you're marketing your business through two lenses. Because a marketing strategy has to have two attributes. It's got to be meaningful to customers, and it's got to make you different. So scrutinizing all the messages you have in the marketplace, so look at your website, the side of your vans, however you communicate to your market, and say, does this make us different? And do customers care? Those are the two drivers that drive up your monopoly control score.